see my nice cast?
Yep, show Grampy.
Okay. Am I going to cross a bridge?
Nope, just cast it out right over there. Try not to get it in the trees.
Okay. Oh.
Whoa, careful. Whoa, whoa, you almost fell in the water. Reel it up a little bit. You're all right. Cast it underneath the railroad bridge.
Why?
Why not? Oh, you hit the tree behind you. Try it again. Ooh, nice one.
I got in the tree.
Got it in the tree. Got a dangler.
Dangler?
Dangler.
What is that?
Oh, and it dangles from the tree.
Come on.
Try another one.
What?
Try another cast. That's a good one. All the way under the bridge.
Yeah. What is it? Railroad track.
Railroad tracks. They're right there.
I can't see them.